everyone, welcome to your weekly reading for 29th of March till 4th of April 2021. So today I am using my Good Tarot and Energy Oracle cards for the 13 card transformation spread. So in the 13 cards transformation spread, the first 9 cards are taken from the tarot or from any of the oracle cards. There's a symmetry, and the rest of the 4 cards are taken from a different deck, maybe an oracle or a tarot. So this is called 13 card transformation spread because 13 is the number of great transformation, ending of a phase and beginning of something new. So let's really find this out because we are about to have a full moon, and let's see how this full moon and this whole new week is going to affect us. Also, I hope you are watching my daily tarot card advice that I've been posting since almost like past 10 days, 10-15 days. To stay divinely guided, please see those daily oracle or tarot card advices that I have been posting. Apart from this, I'll also be making a pick a card, 12 card pick a card reading, which soon will be posted here. So let's go ahead with our 13 card transformation spread for this week's psychic advice. What do we have? What all is about to come, and how do we need to handle that? Let's go ahead and open our cards. The very first card, thankfully, is Ace of Earth, which is Ace of Pentacles, 3 of Water, 3 of Cups, King of Fire. Alright, so from the very first row that I am getting is this week is definitely a week of great motivation for us, because there is something new that we are starting in mainly it is in terms of your money, and something very long term. If in case you are planning to have, now in terms of money as well as in terms of creating value out of your life, you're going to celebrate this week. And yes, you from your life people will be learning. So King of Fire, King of Wand is a person who is a great motivator. He's experienced, and he's somebody who encourages others to live life like king. Okay, he also has that passion, energy and everything. So he doesn't give up. Even if he fails, he never gives up. He enjoys his life, he celebrates with his people, he motivates everybody who comes into his environment, and he can give a start. He's an ace. Okay, so this ace turns into king. Okay, so this Ace of Earth is actually starting something of value. Maybe you're starting your own business, maybe you're going to have amazing client base this week, you're going to earn money, some great some maybe a new offer and opportunity is coming your way. Let's see what kind of an opportunity are we getting. So there is some party also, get together kind of a situation is there. Let's see how further we are being guided. Star card, Aquarius, 3 of Earth, 3 is repeating. Okay, it's a family issue here, family thing, a collective family or a collective effort, teamwork is there. And 6 of Water. So it seems that this week is definitely a week of healing and starting afresh. There is like a collective effort, a collective enjoyment, some party, maybe some game or something that you can organize for yourself, because the 6 of Water is kind of a card of memories, good memories. Okay, and since he's an old man here, it seems that you're going to have some old memories, or you're going to connect with some old friends, old colleagues. This week we're going to bring about some sort of healing or some sort of reference, maybe a job reference, a client reference, a work reference, a business opportunity or something of that sort. Let's see how further it is going ahead. Page of Fire, probably you won't be ready to accept that offer, sorry for this. And 6 of Air, Two of water. All right, so let's first understand this 9 card spread before we move on to opening our 4 oracle decks. All right, so there is some sort of immaturity also I can see. See, ace is a beginning, okay? Then that beginning is kind of, some hope fulfillment and wish fulfillment, hopefulness, healing is on your card. But that is also coming with page of wands in reverse. So it is a kind of an immature energy, not being able to decide upon. A bit of anger is there because page's immaturity has been tackled by king of fire. So probably there are some mistakes that you're doing, you might have done or something but then you're moving away from it, you're trying to move ahead, and then there is a soulmate card. So there are 2 soulmate cards here. 6 of water and 2 of water are like, somebody from past. This is basically a soul past, but this is something that, some family member, a friend, a school friend, or maybe, a college friend or somebody bringing in some news. And then 3 of water is also celebrating with your friends and family and colleagues and organizing some games and partying and something. 3 of earth is also a collective teamwork, everybody is participating into making a decision, and a collective time and effort from everybody is bringing about a change. So there are 2 threes and 2 sixes here, but your anchor card is actually ace and king. So what I am seeing is just this one card. The kind of healing that star is bringing for you, star card is bringing for you, is that immaturity, or maybe not able to take a decision or something. That can be there because I just said that king is a very experienced person, okay, and something new is beginning, some celebration is coming, and we are into a phase wherein probably there are some old connects coming up. You just don't want to get into that. You're trying to move ahead into a calmer side of your life, but there is some sort of hesitation here. But overall, if I see, take a decision, not like the page of fire, but take a decision from the angle of king of fire, because he's somebody who is mature. Yes, the only thing that you should be really, this healing is actually bringing in about is your experiences of life at times, make you a little egoistic and arrogant, just like the king of wands. Okay, so he's very, though he's a very charming, fit, healthy, intuitive and energetic person, but that energy also has a negative aspect of what do you call, anger and frustration and ego, and I, me, myself kind of. So that can be there because it is coming with some sort of past. So there are some experiences that has made you an experienced person, but there are something stuck into your belief system. That 6 of air is actually talking about that you should really move on, because it's time to be it's time for healing and starting afresh and celebrating your life, celebrating your experiences, celebrating with your people, rather than being stuck as a page of wand. So this is the only card, this is the only message that I'm getting from these 9 cards, that there are people around who are going to support you. There is a collective effort altogether. So something new is beginning, but you are kind of a little suspicious about it, maybe because of your past experiences. But probably the star card is actually talking about, and the ace is actually talking about, and also the 2 of water. These are actually talking about that there is a new beginning. Just don't lose this opportunity. Let's open the oracle. Envy, contract. I just said there's some new opportunity coming your way, okay? Yin Yang, and the goddess of moon. So see, star card, moon, these are intuitive cards of healing. Yin Yang is also a card of balancing. Contract, I just said there is some contract, new opportunity coming your way. It can be a legal pursuit, or some sort of maybe a marriage thing is there. Maybe somebody from your past is going to connect with you and bring you a marriage or a loving proposal. And this person can have a king of wands kind of an energy. Maybe he was not ready previously, he was holding back, but there is some sort of healing that has happened with the star card here. and he has got a little balanced with the goddess of moon and yin yang card, and brings a ace of earth kind of a proposal for you if this is to do with your relationship, because there are a lot of water cards, earth cards, and then comes the contract. So I think envy is one of the cards wherein, probably something might have happened. Envy is very similar to this. At times you're so ambitious in your life that you start envying others, even if you are in a house of a four-story building is your own, but if you see somebody's five-story building right in front of your house, you actually start to envying. So that is the page of fire kind of energy, which continues if you do not, even if you become the king of wand, if you do not cater to that stuck energy. Okay, see, you should always grow and compete with your own self rather than competing with somebody else. Life is always a competition with you first. Okay, never envy somebody so that things go tumble down. There can be people in your environment who there are all sorts of people in our life. There's people who help us, there are people who propel us to growth, there are people who are always who pull you back. So when you have to push yourself forward and grit your teeth and fight for your success, which is obviously there. A lot of support is also there. There's a past person coming up, a friend coming up with a proposal, maybe an opportunity. Please go ahead with that opportunity, because that brings about an yin yang kind of a balance, masculine and feminine energy balance in your life. Okay, there's a lot of water element here, so a lot of emotional things are there. It's just that some bit of immaturity, some bit of past memories, some bit of jealousy, unsatisfied emotions I can see which is running around you. It can be with you, of you, but six of air is also a card which is talking about that you are moving from such energies. Reversed page of wands, envy, and you are actually moving into a calmer water. Okay, so for that, since you have to take a great decision, so you have to make a decision. There's an opportunity around, there's a celebration around, a teamwork around, whether it is money or career or job or business, client opportunity, or it is to do with your emotional or a proposal coming up, because contract is a card which talks about any legal, any foolproof kind of an opportunity. So maybe a client, maybe even marriage is a commitment. Marriage is happening, which is a legal thing. A commitment in a relationship is coming, committed relationship is coming. So probably it was stuck somewhere in the past, but now this past person returns because he or she understands that intuitively they have understood, or maybe in the dreams they have understood that you are their soulmate, because two of water is a soulmate card, six of water is a soulmate card. There are past people coming back to celebrate life with you, to give a collective effort so that there is a commitment and move on together. Okay, bits of immaturity, bits of past limited belief systems, and bit of envying energy is what you should really take care. So I would suggest you to go for some sort of mindfulness practice, observe your breathing, maybe do some sort of meditation, stay calm, breathe from your third eye. That will really help you to take advantage of the ace of earth, star card, six of air, two of water, this contract, and yin yang and goddess of moon kind of cards. So enjoy your life. This week looks good to me, but the only thing is pay attention to the warnings that you're getting from the card. So this is your 13 card transformation spread, and it seems to be really good. The transformation is required in the inner realm of your life. So I believe mindfulness or some sort of maybe breathing from your third eye, breathing from your heart can really help you out in this endeavor. So all the best. Please take care, and do share this video with your loved ones, and let me know how this week treats you. And subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and do comment, share, like this video. Bye bye. Please take care of yourself.